All right, y'all, just getting off the elevators right there. This is the hotel hallway. Nice so far. We're right here with it. Let's go see. Okay. We done made it to the. All right. Made it to the room. Let me turn some lights on, man, so we can do a tour. We can do a full-on tour. We got to. So this is the AC Hotel by Marriott in the Wynwood district in Miami. Okay. So right now I'm about to just take you through one of the basic rooms. It comes with the 2 beds or whatever. I'm not gonna be here long, but I'm just show y'all the hotel so you can get a feel. We're gonna go over the rooms and everything. So yeah, let's start with, okay, so boom, you come through the door, right? You come through this door, all right? First of all, let's talk about the, I like details. I'm attention to detail type of person. The wood, AC is known for like the modern hotel vibe and feel. Very clean aesthetic when you're staying at AC hotels. Like, I'm a big Marriott fan, and yeah. So when you come in, you got the nice, first of all, you get the nice sliding door here for the bathroom. Come in, very clean, man. Look at the shower. I love this. You get this shower head and you get that shower head. That's nice. I really like that. Like, most times you don't get the upper head one. I got locks, so I don't really care about my hair getting wet, but I know some people like that. That's why they got both. But having both as an option, yeah, top tier. Love it. Okay, that's the shower. You come in, get a nice clean aesthetic in the bathroom right here. Nice sink. I love the square sink. It's like a newer sink. You don't have an old like dip sink. Like, I don't like those that much. You get plenty of lighting in the bathroom. Plenty of lighting in the bathroom. You know, hair dryer. Look at the toilet. Even the toilet is like square. So you get a lot of the newer things in the in this room. I like that. I really like this. I like that a lot. Okay, you come over here. You know, you get your standard safe that you get in most rooms. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if y'all trust that, but if you do, they got it for you. The ice pitcher thing, all the coffee essentials. You know what I'm saying? Coffee or whatever. You get a little storage up here. You know, you can put stuff up there. You hang your clothes right here. You got the ironing board, the iron. And most importantly, they got one of these smart fridges. You know what I mean? VIP in there with the water. Gonna make sure you're good. The purified water. They got the glasses to go with it too. I love these smart fridges though. They're so nice. Storage right here. Are y'all one of those people? Let me know in the comments. Are y'all one of those people who, when you get to the hotel room, like, do you put your stuff in the drawer? Cause sometimes I be moving in. Like, sometimes I will legit move in. Like, I will move into the room. Okay. So this is the entrance over here. I just showed y'all the bathroom, and I just showed y'all the closet space. You also get a full body mirror right here. Perfect for seeing if your fit is fitting. All right. But anyway, let's get to the meat and potatoes of the room, man. You come in. This is a double bed. You know what I mean? Double bedroom. Artwork on the wall. Very modern. Very minimalistic. Okay. Nice. Like, everything is, they like, you know what I'm saying? The square phone. They keep that same symmetry, that same stuff going on throughout the room. Nice bed right here. Nice desk area to sit down. Even like little bench space. But the attention is in the details. Look at the light underneath. Look at the light underneath. Okay. Nice little nice seat right here. Yeah. And I'm tweaking. Here we go. And nice little view. You see this? It's the view, man. It's a nice, beautiful view of the city. Wow. That look good, I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, the video don't gotta be too long. Just know that if you stay here, you're gonna have everything you need, all the essentials, all the stuff that you're gonna need to have a good time and all that good stuff. But yeah, the 2 double beds, nice, clean, simple, modern. I'm gonna get some more shots for y'all. Nice mounted TV, almost skipped over that. You do get a TV, but you got everything that you need. So let's get it. Nice temperature control, perfect temperature by the way. But yeah, man, this is the AC Marriott Hotel room tour. Very simple, very quick, very easy. Clean hotel, you get everything that you need. That's it, man. Enjoy, I hope y'all liked it, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. It's your girl Truth, signing out. Subscribe. No, I'm just kidding. Do what you want to do, man. Do what you want to do, but I'll catch y'all in the next one. All right.